Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this stunning shiny text effects on CapCut PC. So you can try by adding the background first and also the text just like this. You can just the style of the text as you like it, and after that you can copy and paste the text just like this. And on the second text right here, change its color into white like this. And now right click on the second text and create a compound clip. So now the text has become a compound clip. You can just click on it, go to video and choose mask, use the mirror one. Now you can adjust the size just like this, and then you can just rotate it and put it on the top left corner just like so. Add a keyframe at the masking, and then you can just move to where you like it. I'm going to put the playhead in here. Then you can just move the masking to the bottom just like that. So there will be a keyframe, another keyframe created. Let's see the result. If you have that shiny effects, you can see there will be the shiny effects on the text. I'm going to make it bigger. This is the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.